To log in to our email marketing platform from our website, follow the client login link. Then enter your username, normally your email address, and your password. Now I'm going to show you how to create a new campaign by using the Campaigns button on the left menu. You can see all previously created emails which allow you to edit, test, or live send. Now I'm going to show you how to create a new campaign, starting by clicking the New Campaign option on the left menu. Here are three options. 1. Select a template. 2. Copy campaign. Or 3. Import campaign. I'm going to show you how to create a campaign by clicking the Select Template option. You can see all previously created templates that you can reuse over and over again. For now, I'll click the first available template. You can now see a preview in the right-hand side panel. To use the selected template, I'll click the Next Step button. You can now see the campaign settings screen. From here, we name your campaign, assign a friendly from name that will appear as the sender's email address, and give your email a subject line. Name your email campaign here. I'm assigning a subject line which will encourage the recipient to open my email. Clicking the plus button allows you to split test different subject lines. Split testing subject lines allows you to maximize your results. I shall add 2 extra subject lines. I'm leaving the from address, friendly name and forward replies as default. The reply action has 3 options. I shall also leave this in its default setting. Once we have assigned the correct settings, I shall show you how you can import a previously designed email. You may see an existing email already in our window. Don't worry, we'll be replacing it. Above our content window, you can see tools just like many online or offline applications. Below our content window are 2 tabs. You're able to toggle between design and HTML views. We will remove the previous email by removing all of its code in the HTML view. As you can see, once we click a design view, the previous email is gone. Open a new tab and find your previously designed email. There are 2 ways in which you can add your email to the new campaign. The first way is to select the new email and copy and pasting it into the content window using Design View. By switching between HTML View and Design View, you can now see the email. The second way is to copy and paste just the code into our content window in HTML View. Delete our previous copied code and reopen our new email once again. View the source and copy and paste it into the content window using the HTML view. Our email marketing platform allows the user to send both HTML and plain text emails. The plain text tab shows our previous template's HTML text. Now I'm going to highlight and delete it. Below the plain text tab, clicking the Generate Plain Text option auto-creates a text email. This function strips all of the text from the email and attaches it to your campaign. plain text emails are seen if the recipient's inbox blocks your HTML emails. Now I'm happy with the look of the email, it's time to test send by clicking the Next Step button. If there are any broken links or missing images, they'll show up in this window. Plain text broken or missing links will also show up here. I shall fix this broken link by going back and re-editing our email by clicking the Edit Content link. Once we're back in our familiar campaign editor page, we will edit in HTML view. Scroll until you finally find the broken link. Here we see it's missing the HTTP address. We will simply copy the full address and paste it into our broken link. Once we are happy, click the Next Step button. Now you see that all links are correctly working. If I needed to change the email settings, we could click the Edit Settings link. If I needed to change the email content, we would, as before, click the Edit Content link. While still in the campaign summary, we have a few extra functions under the tabs. Overview tab shows our existing campaign settings as set up earlier. Content Summary tab checks for broken links and missing images in both the plain text and HTML versions of your email. Autoresponder tab sends an extra email to anyone who replies to the current eBlast. Triggers tab are many functions that are executed on particular link clicks. Okay, now I'll test the email. Clicking the Test Send button. Select an email address you wish to send the test to. I can also select multiple email addresses if I wish. You can select the recipients to receive both plain text and or HTML email versions. Hitting the Send button will now send the email test and return us back to the summary page. My Outlook will let me know if there's any incoming email. And here it is, our brand new email. Check that all the links work and it appears correctly. All links and buttons sent from our platform are tracked assigned unique ID keys. ID keys are trackable links that when clicked on sends various information back to our email platform and aids us in reporting and statistics. Although the trackable link format may not look familiar, they still take the recipient through to the correct designated pages. And because the link has been assigned an ID key, our platform knows how many times any link has been clicked. Forward to a friend links or buttons aid in the circulation of your email to potential customers who may not necessarily be within your address book or in your customer database. Our Forward to a Friend landing page contains a similar layout as our email and consists of a form with 3 fields. When designing your landing pages, consider what you would like the intended recipient to fill out. After a successful test send, I shall return to our campaign content page. In our next chapter, we'll look at the process of creating a customer database, your own address book, and live sending. Clicking the My Campaign button will return us back to where we started, the Campaigns page. Our eBlast should now be at the top and available for a live send. For a more in-depth tutorial, or if you would like to know how you can sign up for your own campaign creator, please visit telfis.com, email us at info@telfis.com, or call us free on 0800 652 0808.